Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this short video, we'll walk you through how to set up and use pipeline logging in Apache Hop. Apache Hop is a powerful platform for designing data pipelines. After development and testing, monitoring runtime becomes critical. The pipeline log feature lets you log activity into another pipeline, capturing execution data for analysis. Ready to get started? Here's how. Step 1. Create a pipeline log metadata object. Logging is active by default. You can ensure that only parent pipelines are logged, avoiding redundancy in nested executions. Select or create the pipeline to be used for logging the activity. Remember that project home represents the root directory of your project. You can either select an existing pipeline, specify a custom path where you plan to create your logging pipeline, or create a new one directly. In the next step, we'll customize the pipeline. You can execute the logging at the start of a pipeline, at the end of a pipeline, or using intervals in seconds. Then save the pipeline log. As mentioned, you can create a logging pipeline by using the New button in the New Pipeline Log dialog. A new pipeline is automatically created with a pipeline logging transform connected to a dummy transform. Choose a name for your logging transform, and we uncheck this option for the example. When this option is enabled, it logs details about each transform in the pipeline. Alternatively, you can create a new pipeline from the main menu options. First, remove the dummy transform and add a table output transform. Open the transform and set your values as in the following example. The database connection to which data will be written. The connection was configured by using an environment file that contains the variables, the name of the schema, and the name of the table to which data will be written. Click on the SQL option to generate the SQL to create the output table automatically. Execute the SQL statements. Open the created table in your favorite database explorer to check the logging fields. Close and save the pipeline. Finally, run a pipeline by clicking on the Run to Launch option. In this case, we use a pipeline from my Hop project. Logs will appear in the database, showing execution details like start time, errors, and statuses. Some remarks. By default, all pipelines are logged. However, users can customize which pipelines they want to log by enabling or disabling logging for specific pipelines in the pipeline log settings. When the New option is used from the pipeline log dialog, a pipeline with the pipeline logging transform is automatically created. If the pipeline is created from scratch, the user must manually add the pipeline logging transform as the input transform to ensure logging functionality. Users can also choose alternative storage options, such as output files, to write logs, providing flexibility based on project requirements. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content.